Hi students, welcome to this tutorial video. This one introducing you to the AP English Language and Composition Learning Hub course page. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here so it'll show up better on the YouTube video. So this is what you first see when you log into the Learning Hub and select the AP Lang class that you should be enrolled for. And it's just a typical Learning Hub site, very basic. I like to keep things very basic. First of all, in the upper right hand, let's just look at the right hand side here. In the upper right hand corner you have a list of notes topics, this orange box here. And this is basically just a running list of all the notes topics you should have notes for in your notebooks. Remember, you're required in my class to take notes over every e-lesson you're assigned for homework and over every single outside reading that you're assigned through your weekly prep. And this is just a running list of all of those things. Okay, I'm recording this rather late in the year, so you see the list has become fairly long. Right beneath that, you'll see a couple of links to live binders. The first one to the AP Lang Reader, which is essential. You need to get to that frequently because that live binder will house all of the outside reading that is not in novels in this class. And then finally, the next to that is the Vocab Lists. All 12 Vocab Lists are housed there in case you lose one or forget to pick it up. Over here in the main part of the page, we start with the information desk up top. I have a forum called Announcements. From time to time, I may make mass announcements through this forum, and you're all signed up to receive email notifications of that when I do. Beneath that, course syllabus and grading information, just a folder containing some of those key files from this class. Assignment instructions, instructions pertaining to those recurring assignments that are ongoing throughout the year. And then finally, course calendars, a folder housing the course calendars for this class. Beneath the information desk, you'll see the current public discourse bonus assignments. I've included the instructions once again here. Usually you'd see a folder full of public discourse bonus articles that you can read, but right now I believe it's hidden because it is just elapsed. Yep, it's Friday, and so it's 1 week after February 14th, so the submission is now closed until I open up another one. But remember to check that every Friday. Sometimes it'll take over the weekend before I get those up there, but check that every week for new public discourse bonus assignments. Beneath that, you'll see whatever unit we're currently working on, and I try to close down or hide previous units pretty quickly after the unit exam. Right now, as you can see at this point in the year, we're in Unit 4, Argumentation and Informal Logic. And beneath that, you see all of the e-lessons that have been assigned for this unit so far. Lesson on inductive reasoning, deductive reasoning, claims, and theses. And these are always in descending order, reverse order. I like to put the newest lesson up top just to save you on scrolling all the way down the page. Okay. Keep in mind with each e-lesson, it tells you what the e-lesson covers. It tells you when it's due. Always trust this due date and the due date on the calendar before you trust any due dates in the assignments, please. And always keep in mind that e-lesson assignments are always due by 9 a.m. on their due dates. And then it'll typically tell you to watch the video or there is no video for this e-lesson. Some e-lessons will have a video for you to watch. Other e-lessons, like the 3 you see here, just have PDF files to read. These are pages out of a textbook, so I didn't create any sort of video that goes with them. All right, so that is how you complete an e-lesson. You just go straight down the list of things you see for this e-lesson. There's only 2 things to complete. Read the text, complete this assignment. Here I need to read this text, click on whatever this page is, and complete this assignment. Okay, it's a simple process of just running down a list of things. And keep in mind, if those of you who are unfamiliar with Moodle, you can check off the assignments as you complete them to help you kind of keep track of what you have done and haven't done. All right. Beneath the current unit, you'll see a series of other assignments, typically things we've done in class or big project type assignments. Right now, we're in the middle of working through a number of timed essays, so I have kind of a record of all the timed essays we've done. The extra assignments that go with writing timed essays, because you're not just done after you write the thing in class. There's a few things we have to do with it, and so there's just some extra information there. And at the bottom, we've got some unused topics. Just ignore that. I haven't made those go away yet. So that is the Learning Hub course. The things we didn't really look at was all this navigation information on the right-hand side. That's just typical Moodle stuff that, you can figure it out if you want to look at it. It's not really essential to navigating the site. So I hope this video was helpful. Please, of course, if you have any questions about our Learning Hub course page, please ask me in class, or better yet, send me an email so that I can help you then. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in class.